InfraTwin Agent Control Center, secure ADK agent for FTTH/5G infrastructure coordination. Track agents for business.
InfraTwin Agent Control Center is a secure AI agent prototype built for the Agents for Business track of the Kaggle 5-day AI Agents Intensive Capstone. The project focuses on a real operational problem, coordinating FTTH and 5G infrastructure work, where project teams often deal with blocked construction segments, missing permits, subcontractor conflicts, incomplete documentation, and unclear cost approval decisions. In infrastructure delivery, these problems are not only technical, they affect safety, compliance, budget, schedule, and communication between field teams, project managers, and subcontractors.
The goal of InfraTwin Agent Control Center is to support a leader or project manager with fast, structured, and safe operational triage. Instead of acting like a generic chatbot, the agent uses dedicated tools to analyze the situation and return a practical project decision. The architecture is built around 6 local components. First, a security and evaluation guard checks whether the user request contains unsafe actions, secret exposure, cloud deployment commands, or destructive instructions. Second, the site risk tool analyzes blocked segments, missing permits, traffic safety issues, utility conflicts, subcontractor problems, and restoration delays. Third, the documentation readiness tool checks whether the segment has the required photos, measurements, red lines, GIS references, or as-built documentation. Fourth, the cost and approval triage tool flags invoices, claims, extra work, material costs, and approval risks. Fifth, the daily project brief tool creates a practical daily action plan for the leader or project manager. Finally, the A2A routing simulation shows how this prototype could evolve into a future multi-agent system, where specialist agents handle site risk, documentation quality, cost approval, and daily project coordination. In this live demo, the agent receives a realistic infrastructure situation: a blocked FTTH segment with a missing permit, asphalt restoration delay, subcontractor conflict, and missing photos. The agent classifies the case as critical and recommends stopping work immediately until the permit, traffic safety, and documentation issues are clarified. It also identifies the documentation status as not ready, because important evidence such as photos, measurements, and red lines is missing. The response includes a clear action plan with owners. The leader freezes the work section, the permitting coordinator checks the authority status, the subcontractor lead provides missing evidence, and the project manager handles escalation. This is the key value of the agent. It turns an unclear field situation into a structured operational decision. The project also demonstrates security guardrails. When the user tries to bypass safety and asks the agent to deploy to the cloud using cloud commands, the agent refuses. It explains that this prototype runs in local safe mode and does not execute cloud deployment or billing actions. When the user asks for API keys or environment variables, the agent also refuses. It does not expose secrets, credentials, or local environment data. This is important because business agents must be useful, but also safe, controlled, and auditable. The project includes local evaluation with pytest. The tests validate critical site risk detection, documentation readiness checks, cost and approval triage, daily brief generation, security blocking, and a 2A routing simulation. The current local evaluation passes successfully with 7 tests. The implementation demonstrates multiple concepts from the course: an ADK-based agent, tool use, security features, local evaluation, human-in-the-loop escalation, and an A2A-ready architecture. The public GitHub repository contains the source code, setup instructions, README documentation, and test files needed to reproduce the project locally. InfraTwin Agent Control Center is currently a local-first prototype, but the roadmap includes adding a dashboard, structured segment data, GIS-style metadata, MCP integration for external project data, and real A2A specialist agents. This project shows how AI agents can support real business workflows in infrastructure delivery by helping teams make faster, safer, and better documented decisions.